What is up, my friends? Good morning. Good morning. Guys, good morning. It's a bloody day. Oh my God, it's such a bloody day. Guys, I got this new mic up. Same mic Trey uses, actually. It's Elgato Wave 3. Had to do a few things this morning. Sorry about that, my friends. But I'm here. I have about 45 minutes to stream. Then I got to take back off before power hour. Let's get some rockets in the chat, guys. I know it's a bloody day. But let's get some rockets up in the chat real quick. We'll be fine. Guys, Ethereum. Oh my gosh. We'll talk about Ethereum here in a minute. Ethereum dipped real hard. I am sad that I missed the entry point on Ethereum. I was asleep. I think Ethereum dipped to 1,800. 1,800 Ethereum. My gosh. Thumbs up in the chat if you guys can hear me. Just making sure this mic is working. It is a new mic. It is a new mic. All right, it's working. It's working. Ethereum's going to go back up, guys. Ethereum definitely is going back up. No worries there. Absolutely no worries there. But, guys, we're good. All right, Microvision is basically done a 50% retracement here, all right? So this green area up here was that 23.6 I was telling you guys about. And we dropped right below it. We dropped right through it and ended up down here at the 50 SMA. This is a 1 hour time frame. Yeah, I know. It sounds better, man. I know. I had to go buy it at Best Buy yesterday. It was on sale, actually. I think it was like $140. Not too bad. But guys, we dropped down to that 50 SMA, and like I said, found some nice support here. So Microvision is going to be all right. We also have a golden cross about to happen here on the 1 hour, as well as the 30. So Microvision is going to be fine. Like I said, if I pull a Fibonacci retracement from the bottom to the top up here, you guys see this golden zone. Can't make this stuff up. Bada bing, bada boom. All right. And we get this reversal zone, which we are pretty much reversing out of, right? We're testing a couple times here, but it looks like we'll probably inevitably reverse out of the zone, especially once that golden cross happens, all right? Read some of these comments. What's up, guys? Good morning. Yeah, I know. I'm puking myself. Talk about AMC real quick. Guys, I could not have called this out any better. I really couldn't have. And I don't like to pat myself on the back too much, but this was a good call out. All right. I had noticed this actually yesterday, this ascending wedge happening here. And people that are having, everyone follow them on AMC and having all these people watch them, they should be giving better advice, man. They should be giving better advice. You have a gazillion people watching you. You should at least be able to find setups like this and tell people what can be happening here. And this is exactly what happened, exactly how I said it was going to happen. Basically, this is an ascending wedge. This is a bearish pattern. And, if we break out below it, we're going to come down and test this 50 SMA. It was just inevitable. And I pretty much called that a structure test, which would have been somewhere about right here at 1210, something like that. We got pretty darn close. All right. And man, it really happened. So I feel like, I'm not really trying to throw shade at anybody, but if you're going to be having all these people follow you, you should be telling them what's going on with the actual stock and not just, trading off a wish and a prayer, a hope. This is a bearish setup, guys. I pretty much knew this was going to happen at this point, and it did. And so, if you got in up here, I feel kind of bad for you. You're caught holding the bag right now, but I think it's going to recover. We'll probably find some support in this area and bounce back up. Regardless, if you close your position up here, you did a good thing, probably. All right, you probably did. Was hoping Trey would see it. I sent him a message on Twitter. I sent him a message on Instagram to no avail. I was trying to tell him, dude, tell these people that there's an ascending wedge here and this is probably going to break out to the bottom side, all right, regardless of the volume, especially since the volume was a little low. So it was just, it seemed inevitable at this point. Once I noticed this pattern, it was over. All right, it was freaking over. Let's check Fintel real quick. Check it for AMC. Like I said, guys, man, woke up this morning, saw that breakout, was not happy about it, but it is what it is. 3.1 million. That's a lot. That's a lot of short shares available. So like I said, probably have a bounce here. It's being claimed that there's a lot of shares having to close today. We'll see what happens. I feel a little bit stopped up today. Allergies kicking in. But guys, I did get this new mic. So if you think it sounds better than the other mic, give me a thumbs up. if you do think it sounds better, I would like to know, because I was playing the game last night with it and my buddy could not tell the difference. So if you guys could tell the difference in the mic, let me get a thumbs up in the chat. I like it. It's smaller. It sounds better in my opinion. I recorded a few videos with it. And it sounds a lot better. It sounds a lot better. Famy's green now. Let's check out Famy. Let me get my Webull open. 1 second. Let's see. Famy. Oh, Famy's not up here. Wow, Famy is popping off. 41 cents. Heck yeah. Riding this trend line all the way up. Let's freaking go, Famy. I'm telling you guys, this thing is on the rise. This was another nasty call out. This is just a matter of time, guys. Just a matter of time. Once we get over that 42 cents, this thing's really going to move, all right? It's really, really going to move. Famy at 41 cents. Wow, man, that's so awesome. Finally we broke trend here. We finally did it. Thank God. We needed it, man. We needed it. Even if you draw the trend line like that, you see this nasty breakout here. This was nice. I like it. This is a nice move for Famy, and it's pressing that 42 cents. We get out of that zone, it's going to be a problem. This 50 SMA creeping up on the 200 SMA. Oh my God. Let's get it. 45. My average is 45 actually for Famy. But 42 is going to be the catalyst. I'm telling you, this thing is going to take off. Let's see here. But yeah, anyways, tried to send that dude a message, man. I wish he would have told people about this, because this was obvious. This was so freaking obvious. And I still didn't liquidate. I still didn't take profits here. I'm the worst at that. I could see the most bearish setup in the world. I stick through it because I always think, okay, well, what if I'm wrong here? What if I'm wrong and it goes up? Sometimes I always do that. So sometimes I always do it. It's so funny. But really though, I knew this was gonna happen. I should have closed my trade here and got back in down here. But you know, I didn't. So it is what it is. Heather, good morning. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. The whole market's red, guys. We're going to be all right. We're going to be fine. The entire market's red. You know, it's crazy. They give us a couple freaking good days, and they just rip it away from us. Ethereum, oh my gosh. I can't even talk about Ethereum. I wish I was up earlier. I would have taken that dip for sure. 1,000,000%, I would have taken it. Bitcoin down to 36,000 almost. Wow, that's crazy. That is crazy. That is crazy. Guys, microvision, we'll talk about this golden cross real quick. We do have a golden cross looking like it's going to happen here pretty soon. You see the 50 SMA creeping up on that 200 SMA. Need that golden cross. Probably will for sure send us back up to this 1630, in my opinion. All right, could be wrong. I could be wrong. I've been wrong in the past. I'm not perfect, but it looks like we're probably definitely, I would give it an 80% chance. We're going to retest this 1630. Probably before the 26th. So, but this golden zone is a reversal zone, so you got to know that. If we break through to the bottom side, well, that's not going to be good. If we break through the bottom side of this golden zone and end up underneath it, you could potentially see some dippage here, maybe down to about, you know, the next real level is going to be about 1340. So 1340 would probably be a nice level of support. You know, pretty decent one. See a lot of touch points here. You got one here, got one here, got a little bit of action here, touch points here, hiccup here. We know that 1340 is a demand zone. I just saw it right now, and I will pull that for you like this. You see this demand zone right here. So pretty much the bottom of that golden zone is going to be a demand zone. Pretty much. Kind of leave it something like that. But this is, you know, a blip in the matrix here. You guys see it right here. This is how I found this demand zone. Boom. Price came up, stuttered, and then left real quick. Look at this candle, just a huge blue candle. All right, same thing here. Price came in here, hiccuped, left with a huge blue candle. So this is a demand zone. We'll make it red. All right, so maybe we pop off this one. Hopefully we do. I'll make it pink, actually. There we go. But yeah, so we got two demand zones below us. Excuse me. All right, so you know, I think microvision is gonna be fine. AMC, I'm not sure. You know, if this thing breaks structure, it could go back down. Oh my gosh, excuse me. Yeah, guys, if you're in crypto, This is the time to load up. This is the time to average down. If there ever was a time, it's right now for Ethereum. Seriously. I didn't think we would ever see 2,500 again. We saw 1,800. Man, I wish I was up. I would have bought that. And I probably still will. But the thing is, with Webull, it sucks because you have to have settled funds. I don't have any settled funds in Webull right now, so I'm going to have to figure something out. If I do want to get in it, we're going to have to figure something out with that. But MVIS 14.15 right now. Did close below the 50 SMA. But like I said, these are creeping up, and I do think we have a golden cross in the next couple days with that. Famey hit 42. Are you kidding me? Oh, yes. Let's go, Famey. Oh, yeah. Let's get it. We need to close above this. We need to close above this. Let's freaking go, Famey. Heck yeah. 42 cents on Famey. This will be the catalyst, guys. Got this drawn in for you. 20 minutes left on this candle. We need to close above it. Heck yeah, heck yeah. Let's go. Good morning, little chess piece. Good morning. Guys, if you smash that like button for me, I would really appreciate it. I would really appreciate that if you could hit that like button for me. Get me up on the algorithm. I want to be able to have more people watching this stuff, so when I find these setups, I can help people. I can help people because a lot of people, I mean, would have closed their position if this had been told to them. if they knew about this, and someone that knows charts told them, probably 85% chance this is going to drop, they'd have closed their positions probably and maybe save some money. So I'd like to get more people in here so I can help learn these charts and learn these patterns. I have no energy right now. I have not had any coffee yet. Oh my gosh. Famey's looking real good. I like it. Famey's about to have a run. 55 cents is not that far away, guys. 55 cents is not that far away. About right there. So since about, when was this? May 3rd? So not even a month. This thing's already reversing. That's pretty awesome. It's been a little bit longer than I thought, but this looks really bullish to me. Look at how steep this 200 SMA is, just coming down the mountain, just boom. 50 SMA, creeping up on it, gonna have that cross right there, send this thing up just like that, almost guaranteed. Let's get it, at least 80% chance, at least. I feel like at least. Coinbase Pro? No, I haven't tried that. I probably need to. Got the computer coming too. Computer will be here in a couple days. I had paid for expedited shipping. It only cost a couple $100. Oh my God. But it was worth it. We'll get that computer in a couple days. Have the setup going. Thankfully, finally have a little double monitor going. We don't have to look at this stupid page anymore. Is it worth getting to Famey now? I'd wait for a close above 42 cents. If I was looking to get in Famey right now, I'd do one of two things. Number one, I'd wait for a touch on the trend line, or number two, I'd wait for a close above 42 cents. That's the only way I'm getting in Famey right now. If I wasn't already in, I would not get in around here. I would get in at a touch on this trend line, or I would get in at a close above 42 cents, right? Microvision, guys, we're going to keep this up because Famey's popping off right now. Jeez Louise, I need to make some coffee. Microvision bouncing right off this golden zone. Just as predicted. You could see this golden cross tomorrow probably, guys, as early as tomorrow. I mean, really, we probably could really see this maybe early tomorrow morning during lunch. Maybe the next day, maybe. But it's going to happen. It's going to happen inevitably. It's for sure. Whether or not the golden cross actually moves price, that's to be determined. But, we have a couple pivots. There's a pivot point right here below the golden zone. And there's one up here at this 23.6. And one right here at structure. So we're kind of in between these three pivots right now. We'll see what happens with, we'll see what happens. But I do think we're going to correct off this golden zone. Let's pull RSI up. RSI is super oversold. Not super oversold. We're getting there, though. I shouldn't say super oversold. But I like to think it's pretty oversold if it's under 50, and it's getting close. So 37 on RSI. 37 RSI, have some room to go. We're on a 30-minute time frame. So like I said, high probability that we correct off of that golden zone. Whoa, didn't mean to do that. Sorry about that. But yeah, we're going to correct off this golden zone. It's just, it looks very, very promising. So, but yeah, guys, like I said, we've had about a 55% retracement on microvision. And, you know, it is what it is. Stocks don't go up forever. We had a really nice move off 12.25, took us all the way up to 16.30. That's a pretty big swing. That's a $4 swing. So that's not, you know, you can't hate on a $4 swing in 2 or 3 days. That's really nice. There's going to be correction, especially when the whole market's red, you know? %60 chance every time. There's a 60% chance it'll work every time. What's that from? Oh, that's Anchorman. That's Anchorman. Yeah. But AMC might even recover, guys. Like I said, you can see this bounce off this 50 SMA. So this is pretty much a structure test. I mean, you can't even, God dang, I couldn't have called this out any better. Holy crap. I mean, sometimes I just blow my own freaking mind. But look at this zone right here between the body and the wick. This creates a zone, and look what happened. We just literally came down exactly where I called out. It's crazy. But you know, I think it recovers. There's a lot of short shares available. We own over 80% of the float. This thing's gonna go back up. Whether we get back up above the wedge, that's to be determined, because this is just a freaking battleground up here. It really is. We just could not get above that 1420 to save our lives. We did for a little bit. There's a couple times, but we just couldn't hold it. Joseph Garcia bought May 28th options. Love Mavis, but these drops makes a lot of cheaper options. Yeah, it does. I still have mine open too. I gotta check my portfolio as well. I think I'm down a little bit on my calls. Barely, not a lot, just a little bit. Just a little bit. Yeah, I'm down $26 on my call. So I was up like 250, and now I'm down like $26. Still think I'll finish in the green for that one. Hoping I can get those 200 shares for $10 a piece at the end of this. So that is the goal for me, is to get those 200 shares at $10. See what's happening here. This was just, oh man, this was cookie cutter. Holy crap. I thought maybe we would go up a little bit further to the apex, but we just tanked right off. As soon as I saw those after hour numbers, and I even said that. I even told you guys before the bell, I was like, I think we're going to see red in the after hours today. And we did. Boom. We saw crazy red have a big double top right here. You guys see this? So this thing was going to just drop inevitably. AMC is a bubble. AMC is a bubble. And like I said, you know, we own over 80% of the float, allegedly. And so it's hard to believe this thing is going to go down forever. That's why people believe in the squeeze so much. We own so much of the float. It's like, how can it not squeeze once they close their positions? But it's difficult. It's difficult. What's up, Sandra? Good morning. Good morning. How do I mute this mic? I need to cough. I don't want to cough into the mic. We'll just do it. Bitcoin. Oh man, I'd stay away from Bitcoin right now. We have no idea. I already think Bitcoin's going to drop to 25K. I've been saying that for a few weeks here and there, kind of speculatory, no real, basis behind it. I haven't, been studying the charts, but it seems like it was due for a big correction. Crypto in general, guys, was due for a big correction, and it is happening. It is happening. So if you're in on Ethereum, just hold tight, because like I said, I still think Ethereum could surpass Bitcoin, and this might be the part when it happens. Ethereum could surpass Bitcoin coming up here in the next year or two. To be honest, Bitcoin might become kind of obsolete. The transaction fees are freaking really high. It's not very. I mean, it doesn't scale as well as Ethereum. Ethereum is just a better coin in general when you look at overall usage and just scalability. It's a lot better. So Ethereum's going to recover for sure. It's almost just guaranteed. Whether it surpasses Bitcoin or not, I don't know really for sure, but it could. It could. If Bitcoin drops enough, people start closing their positions out. Ethereum's pretty cheap right now, so we'll see what happens. I saw the China FUD. Yeah, they definitely they're doing something. I don't know if it's legitimate. But If they stopped allowing, people to do stuff with crypto, that's pretty crazy. That's pretty substantial. They don't want crypto. Why would a government want crypto? They wouldn't. The government does not want decentralized currency. They just don't. They want to be able to be on top of the pyramid, right? And you can't be on top of the pyramid if you didn't create the currency. If you create the currency, you be on top of the pyramid all day. You print the money, you make the money, you have all the value, you print the money, whatever. But with crypto, they don't have it like that. So obviously, they don't want, people getting wealthy off crypto and challenging their power structure. All right, we're not going to put our tinfoil hat on too hard today, but seriously, you start challenging the power structure, bad things start happening in the world. You know what I'm saying? COVID, cough, cough, 9/11, cough, cough. So crypto is another thing that is disruptive. It's very, very disruptive. So you got to be careful because, who knows what they can do. I don't know what kind of tools they actually have, what kind of tech they have. They could crash this whole thing. Who knows? Who knows? They could just delete crypto from the world, I think, if they wanted to. Who knows? I mean, so crypto's always going to be a gamble. Let's see here. Microvision at 1429. Guys, I'm going to stream till about 10:30. I don't have too long. All right, I wish I did, but I don't. I got to do a few things today. Oh, Jay Appleseed, you're definitely the one that's trolling. We knew it was you, buddy. I think you're just mad that I rejected your Cash App refund. You're mad about that. I still got your money, by the way, just so you know. They never took it. I appreciate that. This guy's so mad. This is the first time he's been in here in like 2 months. This guy's getting wrecked in whatever he's in. He's so salty. No, you guys, a lot of you don't know who this clown is. This guy was paid money to be on the team just to troll. He lost his own money. Got caught holding the bag and a few stocks. He's just salty. We'll let him live. I'll let you guys roast him. We already know he's been following the stream. We know he's been following the stream this whole time. He hasn't been talking. That guy is a clown. He's salty. He went in a couple streams, was talking bad about me for no reason. He's on the team. I don't know what he was doing. And then when I told him, when I kicked him out of the Discord for it, he tried to get that refund on Cash App. I said, nope. Nope. Oh, that's funny. That guy is a freaking clown. All right. Yeah, he's definitely the one giving the thumbs down. He's in here every day watching, 100% guaranteed. 100% guaranteed that dude watches every single day. That's funny. Let's see here. Heather dropped the ban or the mute hammer on him. Nice. Good morning, everybody just joining. Good morning. It's so funny. Like, yeah, he's definitely a fan. But I find it so funny that, people would be mad at me for covering AMC. Dude, if I'm going to make money on a stock, who cares what stock it is? I don't understand that. I don't understand the mentality of someone like him. He's just a clown. That's a clown mentality. He's an emotional trader. I don't care what the stock is. The stock could be, like Sandra said yesterday, if there's a stock for dog shit, all right, and the charts are telling me that the dog shit is going to go up in value, I'm going to freaking buy in and I'm going to make some money on the dog shit. That's just all there is to it. So if you're not thinking like that, you are not a good trader, and you're just definitely 100% in the 98% of people that lose money. Why wouldn't I cover AMC if I think it's going to squeeze and make me money? Oh my God. All right, 1437 for Microvision. AMC 1265, bouncing right off the structure. Told you guys, I called all this freaking stuff out. Bounce right off this structure zone. So good for AMC for recovering here, and Microvision. Yeah, it is. It really is. Reading some of these comments here. 1438. Nice. We got it back above this 50 SMA. That's good. We're going to get this golden cross soon, guys. Like I said, we're definitely probably, I would say, I got to give it an 85% chance that we're going to retest 1630 before May 26th. We're going to recover. All right. This thing can't go down forever. Neither one of these can go down forever. All right. It just can't. It just can't. American Dream 1.5. Thank you for the $5 super chat. I have a lot of respect for your channel. Sometimes when I'm streaming, I will touch base and see what's going on in the news with you. Respect, AMC. Thank you, my friend. Diamond hands, buddy. We got this. No big deal. No big deal. But thank you for that super chat, my friend. What's up, Ron? Good morning, Ron. Good morning. Jay Appleseed. Yeah, he's definitely a bum. You should see the message. I should show you all the messages this guy sent me. Just an absolute clueless trader. Definitely trades off emotion, FOMO, and follows people blindly. 100%. I should show you. I'm not even going to troll you that hard, Jay Appleseed. I can make you look real dumb right now, but I'm not. I won't show everybody your pathetic messages you sent me before I kicked you out of Discord. I won't show everybody. Don't worry. We'll keep that between you and me, my friend. You and me. We'll keep your clownery between you and me. Hey Heather, next time he comes in here, don't mute him. I want to see what he has to say. I want to see what he has to say. Good morning, Mom. Thank you for the super chat. I will be over there in a couple hours. 1436. Microvision. AMC's 1262. So guys, we're just bouncing off these structures, these structure levels, and like I said, I don't know if we get back up in the wedge, but we definitely are going to probably retest something up in here. But the bad news is on the 15-minute time frame, we got a golden cross that could potentially happen if this 50 SMA crosses back below. Sandra Lay coming in with a $20 super chat. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Troll fine. Nice. No, I already blocked him on Cash App. He was just, someone wants to know what happened. All right, I'll tell you real quick. The guy was just in the team. He was on the team. Everybody was kind of feeling like he was a troll anyways. And then someone saw him on a Chartology stream or something talking bad about me or whatever. So I told him on Discord, hey, don't be talking bad about me. And he pretty much, I don't know, said a few things. I kicked him out the Discord. He tried to get a refund on Cash App and then he got blocked. And now he just follows every day and doesn't say anything. But today he made his appearance today, so that's pretty much what happened, guys. We're not even gonna give him any more thought. All right, we're gonna move on from that clown. All right, but that's what happened. The reason CCP banned crypto is because their cyber yuan or yen, whatever, stands to give Beijing power to track spending in real time, plus money that isn't linked to the dollar-dominated global financial system. I know, I know, man. Crypto. I mean, like I said, there's a lot more crypto geniuses than me. All right. I really haven't traded crypto too much. So I'll take what you say as truth, man. I don't really know about that. You know, I believe you. I'm not sure why they did it. Yeah, the Japanese yen. It's so funny to read it though, because it looks like Juan. Juan. Juan from Laredo. Josh Screever says, why is he questioning your DDs on point? I don't know, man. He's just a hater. Oh, he watches every day. I mean, it's just facts. It's just facts. Clowns do clowny stuff, man. What can you do? Stupid is as stupid does, you know? Forrest Gump had it right. What is Famey? Oh, yeah, let's check Famey. What is Famey at? Did it break? Did it close? Oh, man, no. All right, but it's still in this zone, so that's good. It did test above 42. So this thing wants to be up here. Maybe we come down and keep riding the trend line here, guys. Maybe we keep doing something like this, but we're going to end up there above 42 cents at some freaking point. This company is set up to do well in the future. Yuan. Okay, got you. What is Famey? Famey is a agricultural distribution company, or like they farm mushrooms and distribute them. They just got 2 big contracts, one to Japan to export mushrooms to Japan, and then one to export black something and some other mushrooms or some other agricultural stuff that they farm to Israel. So they have big contracts. You know, they're a micro cap stock, so those contracts are going to make this thing go up. Exactly. Exactly, Kelly. It never fails. It never freaking fails. It never fails. On the red days, the trolls show up. It's so funny. But you know who we haven't seen? We haven't seen freaking Tea Time, and we haven't seen Dwangus. We haven't seen those two clowns in a hot minute. I don't know what happened to those dudes. Tea Time might not be in the world anymore. That guy lost so much freaking money on Velodyne. Or wait, was it Velodyne? No, that was Dwangus. Oh, Tea Time was shorting Microvision. That's right. That's right. So someone might want to do a wellness check on those dudes. Let's see. Sandra, again, thank you for that super chat, Sandra. Yeah, Tea Time lost a lot. Good. I hope he feels the burn when he pees. Feel that burn, Tea Time. Pee time. It's good. He shorted on the $10 to 28. I know. That's crazy. Yeah, that's crazy, man. That was a nasty run of that 28 bucks. We're going to get there again on Microvision for sure. It's going to take some time. It's going to take some time. We got to see what happens on the 26th. That's going to be key for Microvision, guys. Saval's just filed. We already know that. And just, you know, it's looking good for Microvision. We're just consolidating here. It's good that we're consolidating here, guys. It's good. It's better than consolidating down here, right? I mean, thumbs up if you agree with me. Would you rather consolidate up here or would you rather consolidate down here? Obviously, you want to pick the latter because I would rather consolidate above $14, in my opinion. All right, really. I'm feeling savage. I'm feeling the savagery today, guys. I woke up feeling aggressive. So don't be coming in here playing games with me. Freaking clowns. I woke up feeling aggressive today. So I might let you have it today. AMC 1262. Rebounding just off the structure level, just right off this demand zone here. This level of structure here. But you guys see this is a known demand zone here. A really big one. All right, you guys see this right here. This is a demand zone, right? You see how price comes up, it kind of hiccups here and then just leaves super fast. All right, this is how you find these zones. These are where the banks are moving money, guys. These are not retail traders coming in here. I guarantee you. All right, this is not a retail trader jump. The banks come in here, they hit their orders, consolidate, and then boom, it leaves really, really, really quick. All right. CTXR. Golden Cross coming up on CTXR for the 30 for the 1 hour. For the one who said that? Is CTXR a 30-minute Golden Cross or a Death Cross? On the 30 minutes, it's going to be a Golden Cross if it happens. You see this 50 SMA cross above the 200 SMA. When the 50 SMA crosses above the 200 SMA, that is going to be considered a Golden Cross, all right? When the 200 SMA crosses below the 50 SMA, when the 50 SMA crosses below the 200 SMA, that's going to be considered a Death Cross. So you see here, this could be a potential Death Cross for CTXR. If you go to the 1 hour time frame, you see the 50 SMA is above the 200, might creep down something like this. That would then be the Death Cross right here, which could drive the price down just a little bit. It doesn't always have to happen that way, but it could. A lot of the times it could. 35 says, clowns do clowny stuff. It's true. It's just what they do. Another timeless quote from Trade Mode James. It's facts, man. I mean, guys, it's facts. You can't deny it. Clowns do clowny stuff. It is what it is. We live in a world full of clowns. What can you do? What can you do except stand out from the crowd? You know, got to find a way to stand out from the clowns, man. And my way to do it is to learn these charts. You know, people are gonna hate. I can't understand the mentality of somebody that would not go get the bag just because they have an emotional opinion of a stock. I don't care what the stock is. I could care less what they do, who's the CEO. I don't care about any of that. I'm here to make money. I don't care about none of that. Just like in poker, I don't care who I'm taking the chips from. You could be the nicest, most, loving, older grandma type lady in the world. If you are sitting there with chips in front of me, I'm coming for your soul. All right. And I feel the same way about the stocks. All right. I don't care about the emotional, opinion of the stock. I don't really care about the sentiment of the stock. If the stock is going to make us money, we're going to trade it. And I mean that in the nicest way, right? Like I'm gonna take the chips and then I'm gonna buy you dinner afterwards. All right, so that's just how I am. But I'm coming for it, and if whatever gets me to the bag, that's what I'm doing. Red Rock Capital says, notice crypto is stable now, but when Binance and Coinbase fixes its network problems, the sell-off will continue. They way over leveraged and screwing retail investors to cover their asses. Maybe, man. I'll take your guys' word for it. I don't really know. I don't really follow crypto too much right now. I kind of have tunnel vision. But I'll take your guys' word for it. CTXR, this is a good long-term hold, guys. I don't know when they're actually going to get streamlined through the FDA, but I think it's coming up. Their Mino Lock is awesome. It's a revolutionary product treating a CBRSIs, which is a catheter-related bloodstream infection. Check it out. Go to Wikipedia, read about it. But this thing can save lives, save insurance companies money, save hospitals money. That product is probably going to take this thing. This stock could go over $5 just from the Mino Lock. They have a couple other products as well. My TA on AMC has stayed the same. All right, I called for a bounce on this demand zone yesterday. Pretty much the exact same as yesterday. Literally the exact same. I told you guys we probably were going to fall out of this wedge, and if we did, we would test structure or test this demand zone. I mean, this could not have been any more accurate. It just really couldn't. So if you're day trading this, oh my God, you make a killing on the breakout to the bottom, then you make another killing off the rebound of this demand zone. So just smashing it day trading this stock. Philip L, good morning. Red day again today, but I'm happy that FAMI is the only green in my portfolio. FAMI's looking good. Yeah, FAMI's looking good. Tested over 42 cents. That's awesome. That is awesome. Not too worried about microvision. I'm just not. I'm just not. We got too much going on. Too many really key levels of support. You guys see all this action here. All right, you see all this action. All these touch points, all right, all these touch points down here in this demand zone. You just see all the action right here. I'm not worried about microvision at all. I could keep doing this all freaking day in this zone. You see all the action around this zone. There's so much support here. So I'm not really worried about microvision dipping any lower than this, really 1360. I don't think it has it in it to go lower than 1360. Feel like MVIS is coiling up for a big move. Yeah, no, it could be, man. Because like I said, you look at the 30-minute time frame, you got this 200 SMA just coming down the mountain as she comes, coming down the mountain as she comes, coming down the mountain, and you get this golden cross right here. That could send us up above that zone. So I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. I've been wrong before. Maybe the 50 SMA just does this. I don't know. But, all we can do is react to the price. If you understand what I mean when I say that, guys, thumbs up in the chat. We cannot predict the market. You cannot predict movements. You can't predict what a candle is going to do. You can't predict any of that. All you can do is react to the price action. Thumbs up if that makes sense to you. Because if that does make sense to you, you will then know how you can figure out when to get in trades and when to exit. All we can do is react to the setups and what price action is telling us. Just like this. We can't predict that it's going to break out, right? We can't predict that AMC was going to break out. But what we can do is say, okay, this is a bearish setup, and there's an 80% chance that it's going to. And if it does, then we're probably going to come down here and test this demand zone. That is what you can do. You can't just predict something off the top, but you got to react to the price or react to the price action. That's all I can do. I cannot say, oh, microvision is going to come up here and test 1808. Like, you just can't do that. It's impossible. It's impossible. But reacting to the price action is a lot different. And that's what you have to do. That's what you have to do to day trade. A lot of people hit me up about day trading. They want me to do this day trading thing so bad. And I'm going to do it. But just know that you cannot just predict where you think or you want something to go off emotion. It doesn't work like that. The market moves, in very mysterious ways. And if you can just, find the zones where the banks move money, know the SMA crosses, know your golden zones, know your supply and demand, you will be a profitable trader. You will be in that 2% of people that actually make money in the market. And I'm not tooting my own horn here, but I don't lose money in the stock market. I don't think I've lost even $1. maybe a couple bucks. I mean, maybe, but not much, not much. And the reason is because if I'm in a stock, I have conviction, and therefore I'm not selling for a loss. I don't care how hard it dips, and I'll just never sell for a loss. And if I'm in a stock that I have conviction in, right? That's why I don't lose money. A lot of people get scared. They trade with stop losses. They're in here in a stock because they heard about it. They haven't done the research. You know, it starts going blue. They get all freaking happy, and then it crashes below their entry point, and they close for a loss. And that's not something I do. So I hope you guys do the same stuff. Definitely do not trade with a stop loss if you have conviction. That's the worst thing you can do. That's the worst thing you can do. But you guys, just remember this. I'm not a financial advisor, right? I need to put that on the screen. I'm not a financial advisor. All right, I'm just a dude that trades, and I know price action. That's it. That's all I am. I'm not a guru. I'm not a Wall Street, analysis, whatever. I'm just a dude that trades stocks, and I understand price action on a fundamental level. And that's pretty much it. So I'm not a financial advisor. Please understand that. Do your own research on everything I say. Don't just follow me blindly, please. Don't be like Jay Appleseed and just follow blindly and then lose all your freaking money and close your position at a loss. Don't be like Jay Appleseed. On CNBC now, the CEO for Ryder said autonomous trucks sooner rather than later. Me thinks he knows about MVIS. Maybe. Maybe, man. That'd be awesome. Autonomous trucks. Like 18-wheelers? Yeah, that sounds scary, man. That sounds scary. I would not want to drive next to an 18-wheeler that did not have a dude at the steering wheel. That would be scary to see. I bought one option for Friday at $19 strike. It cost 10. Nice. One second, guys. All right, guys, I'm back. Sorry about that. All right, so basically, I don't know. Part of me feels like it's going to be just a sideways day until we get this golden cross. Let's see here. So we have 30-minute candles. So we could get this golden cross somewhere. It's going to be tomorrow. I think it's definitely going to be tomorrow. Maybe early the next day. $14.26. Just retesting this, but making higher lows on the wicks. That's a decent sign. We got the wick touch points here, so making these higher lows on the wicks. That's good. AMC 1250. It's gonna take a minute for AMC to recover, guys, but we're going to. We own 80% of the float. If they start closing their positions, this thing's gonna go up. If it squeezes to 1,000, I don't know, but it's gonna go up. Heather. Oh, I see you, Heather. Yeah. Let's check Fintel for microvision. $300,000 short shares available on Fintel for microvision. Still giving us that. Oh, you know what? I forgot what it was. I have to go back and check. Dang it. Everyone tune in tonight at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to Mad Money. I will be talking to Jim Cramer about microvision. All right, man. If you're gonna go on there, definitely shout out my channel. Shout out my channel if you're going on Mad Money. Nice bounce off this demand zone, man. This looks nice. Nice bounce here. Last time this happened, look to the left, guys. And another reason you could have predicted this also, you know, kind of this drop was the same thing here. We had another ascending wedge here, and look what happened. This is what I was telling everybody yesterday. It's like, look to the left. If you're not looking left, you're not looking right. Look at this, guys. You can't make this stuff up. You see the break here? Same setup, all right? Same setup. Price is consolidating up, breaks down, retests this demand zone, makes a jump up, and then this one actually came down. All right, so that's what happened on that one. Not a big difference here on this one. All right, price is coming up, breaks down, and now we're retesting this demand zone, hopefully making a jump that doesn't do that. Hopefully it recovers. But you guys see this. Thumbs up in the chat if you see this pattern. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm good at. Recognizing historical moments in the market that happen over and over and over again. You guys see this. Big ascending wedge here and a breakout to the downside. Big ascending wedge here, breakout to the downside. Retest of this demand zone, but broke through, and now we're retesting demand zone. And this is where we're going to have, this is a pivotal moment. Either we reverse off this zone or we don't. If I draw a fib from here to here, all right, there's some room to go down. The 50% retracement will put us somewhere up in this area. All right, let me do that a little better. A 50% retracement will put us somewhere up in this area. All right, and we haven't technically got down here yet, so. JMD Cat says, morning kids, Blood Mary in hand. Oh, Bloody Mary in hand. Garden watered. Let's listen to some TMJ. Let's get it, man. Let's freaking get it. I'm not happy about the crypto sell-off because I haven't been able to get in. I haven't been able to get in. I wish I could have got in. I would have put some cash in Ethereum. Holy crap, 1,800. Golly, that's a freaking steal. That is a steal of a deal if you ask me. Oh my god. What is our volumes at? AMC volume 56 million, just nothing really for that stock right now. Ethereum, or not there. Microvision 3.8 million. So guys, the market is just red. The market is just bleeding off here. It just is. Ethereum recovered so hard. Oh my gosh, you could have traded that 1,800 so nice. You could have made so much money today on that dip. Jeez Louise, I'm sad I freaking missed that. I did have no settled funds in Webull. I cannot buy it. $14.20. Let's see what happens here, guys. Like I said, we'll have to come back for Power Hour. I'm going to try to get here for Power Hour, guys. If I don't make it for Power Hour, don't fret. Everything's going to be fine. I will be back tomorrow morning for sure. It's a coin flip. It's 50-50 if I'm going to be here for Power Hour. So we'll see. But like I said, if not, guys, just, you know, get on Discord, talk to each other. You guys know how to find these golden zones and this stuff by now if you've been watching my channel. So you guys can get a good idea of what's going on together in the Discord. If you're on the team, you know, let's just get some positive affirmation going. These red days are hard for a lot of people, and I get it. I understand. But you got to hold through it. Definitely not selling for a loss. I don't think anybody on my team selling for a loss. I would not if I was you. I would hold everything and just wait. Yeah, Heather's down 6 figures, guys, so let's get some rockets in the chat for Heather. Can we get some rockets in the chat for Heather? She's down over 100K, guys, right now. So let's rockets in the chat for Heather. Diamond hands. Heather, you're going to be fine. Ethereum's going to recover. I still have Ethereum 10K by the end of the year. You are Gucci. You're good. You're good on Microvision and Ethereum. I don't know about your other investments, but on those two and AMC, you're probably good too. All three of those, you're going to be fine. Hold through the storm, my friend. Hold through the storm. The wind's going to blow. The trees are going to shake. The dogs are going to bark. What else can I think of? The hail is going to fall. The glass is going to break. But you will be fine. Yeah, these freaking cats. Oh my god. These cats are tilting. Nick can cover Heather's losses, so I wouldn't worry. That is funny. Poet mode, James. Heather has a diamond soul. Me too. Me too, Heather. There's so many times I could have took profits that I just didn't because I just have a diamond freaking soul. AMC 1251. Recovering nice. Obviously, you know, we're going to have to get above these two levels right here. This is one, and then probably the big one up here, that double top, which isn't really a zone, I guess, per se, but this is where that reversal kind of came in. New article. For what? For Microvision? Oh my god. Guys, I'm stoked about this new mic. I think this new mic sounds a lot better. I think this new mic sounds a lot freaking better. I'm not sure how much it sounds better because I don't really go back and listen, but I think it sounds better. It feels like it sounds better. Thank you. Oh, coffee. Yeah, coffee. Yeah, coffee. No, I didn't get an SM7. I got an Elgato. I'll pull it up. I'll pull it up. I got an Elgato Wave 3. The same mic Trey uses. The thing's nice. It's a nice mic. This is the mic I got. This bad boy right here. Pretty decent. I can't lie. It's pretty decent. I like it. It sounds really good on the recording, so, you know. I got some filters on it right now, too, so it sounds pretty decent. I think it could sound better with a mixer, which I might get, but, yeah, Elgato Wave 3. All right, Microvision down in the golden zone. 1409. You can hear the cats clear. Okay. Yeah, they're definitely in here. I got a noise gate on, so whenever I stop talking, you guys will hear dead silence. Yeah, like I said, guys, we're gonna stream till 11 o'clock, guys. So 9 more minutes. I'm already past due what I was gonna do. So 9 minutes on the stream. I appreciate all of you for being here. Hit the like button for me, guys, before we leave. I really appreciate that. Thank you guys for the super chats. The 2 super chats, Sandra and who else was that? I'm so sorry. I forget who it was. American Dream 1.5 and my mom. Thank you guys very much. Thank y'all very much. But yeah, guys, hit the like button for me. And I'll try to be back for Power Hour today. Not sure if I'm going to do it or if I can make it, but we'll see what happens. It's kind of a coin flip. If not, I'll be back tomorrow in the morning at the bell for sure. We'll be back tomorrow morning at the bell. If you want to get on Discord, I'll give you the link. The Discord is free, completely free. The public chat is free. We got over 600 people in there. That's amazing. 600 people. Steady on Discord. They're not all 600 people talking at once. But we do have over 600 people on the Discord. And over 75 people on the team, I think. Maybe more than that. Maybe it's like 100 now. So if you want to get on the team, send me a DM on Discord if you're not already. And I will get you on the team, all right? If you want to be part of that day trading 1,000 to 10,000 challenge, I'm going to do stream on Discord only for the team. You'll have to be on the team to watch that or to play along. The hats are coming. The hats are here, but guys, we did a little competition. So whoever's closest at the end of the week for Microvision on Friday at the bell will win a hat. The person closest to the price is gonna get to choose between a trading hat that I bought with some candlesticks on it or the Microvision hat. So Friday, the winners will be announced. AMC 1253, Microvision 1413. we're going to have some kind of something happen here for microvision to really jump. We are in a reversal zone, so I mean, who knows? Maybe this thing just pops off. Maybe it trades sideways here above the golden zone. Who knows what exactly is going to happen? All we can do is react to the price, right? Gosh dang it. All right, SK, have a good day. Appreciate everybody for being here. Sorry I can't stream longer, but this is just a red day. There's not really much to talk about, guys. There's no action. There's no, I mean, we're going to be sitting here staring at grass grow. And you can only talk about grass growing for so freaking long. So kind of a pointless day to sit here and stream all day. All right. Everybody's kind of in the mud right now. And, you know, the energy's low. I understand. I understand. So, but I do appreciate all 100 of you for being in here. Maybe it's triple topped. Yeah, it did. Mavis is going to pop, guys. It's just a matter of time. It's just a matter of time. All right, AMC, don't know the future of AMC. Don't know if the squeeze actually happens. Maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. I don't really know. I don't know. But I know I'm not selling for a loss. I know that much. So we can just hold this thing till the end, pretty much. Maybe Power Hour, maybe. XL, maybe. It's a coin flip. We'll see what happens. See if I can make it back in time. It is a maybe. But I just have a very high suspicion that we're just going to be trading sideways for the whole market for the rest of the day. It's just going to be one of those days. It's just going to be one of those days where we just trade sideways till the end. And then, you know, we all go to sleep and wake up and tomorrow's a new day. That's pretty much what it seems like. We had a nice move the last couple days. Have to expect some kind of retracement. Was hoping it wasn't this far down, but it is. You know, we're back in the golden zone. It's a healthy retracement so far. If we get below 61%, it's not going to be looking that great. But we do have a demand zone here and a couple key levels of support for microvision, so we'll be all right. We'll be all right. All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and close the stream. There's not much else to say. There's just not. There's not much else to talk about. We're holding tight on AMC, FAMI, and MVIS. And, you know, we're just holding. We're diamond handing this thing. Not selling. Not trading with a stop loss. Not living in fear. We already know what we hold. On AMC, we hold over 80% of the float. All right, that's pretty valuable. On microvision, we hold some extremely disruptive technology. And on FAMI, we hold a company that's setting its disconnect. Okay, it's back on. Anyways, guys, we're setting ourselves up for success on all three streams, all right? Let's get some rockets in the chat before we leave. I know it's hard. I know you're down. Let's get some rockets in the chat. Let's manifest some positivity here, all right? Manifest some positivity. I would like to see some rockets, some diamonds, whatever you want to put in the chat as emojis. Let's freaking get it real quick before I close the stream. And I appreciate all of you for being here. This was a quick stream, but you know what? It is what it is, man. It's kind of a boring day. We're going to see what happens, though. We'll see what happens. I appreciate you all. See you guys on Discord. If you want to get on the team, send me a DM, all right? Peace and love from my end. Trade Mo James signing up out of here, guys.